Greetings traders out there in Traderland. My name is Des here at Grok Trade on Monday, April 16th, 2012. Retail sales came out today, beating estimates in March, and here we're taking a look at the indices. Dow up 72 points, so people fleeing to those more stable, if you will, or less risky blue chip companies. Up 0.56%, the S&P down a fraction, the Nasdaq down 0.76%. So Nasdaq took a big hit today. Russell small caps not doing too bad, actually in positive territory, almost 0.25%. And you had the banks up a whopping 1.23%, so that's given good support here to the markets overall. However, keep an eye out here on the Nasdaq. VIX at break even. Gold down a fraction, down 0.24%. Silver up a fraction, and you have crude oil up a fraction. US dollar down 0.41%. And here, take a look at the daily. Last week was pretty bullish. Then we started to go into some very bearish, and we had a couple bullish days, and we ended the day on Friday bearish. Today on Monday we have this doji, but we're below all major moving averages right now. The question is this wanting to find support, and are we going to find buyers in this weakness? That's a big question, because right now we need to get back above these moving averages. We are below them right now. And the area of support we're looking at is 1360 area. Area of resistance is 1388. So be watching those two areas. Anything between could and will be choppy. On a weekly chart, we have a nice little bull pullback, and starting off the week, we have a little bit of a doji here, finding some support above this 1355, 56, 57 area. And that's something we are watching for, so be watching that. This line coming across is 1363. So if we break down below 1363, that won't be good. Next level I'm looking at is 1356, 1357 as a support level on the weekly. And let's take a look at Apple. Share this with your friends, all those trading Apple. Remember, I was saying that we saw this bearish divergence taking place on the MACD as we were going higher, and we failed to hit this top, so that was big time trouble. And I did say that Apple was coming up to be a short, and I said you heard it here for the first time. And sure enough, that's what's happening. You'll see a major correction taking place. Last 5 sessions have been downward, and we are now at 580, believe it or not. Another thing that we're looking at is these expanding candlestick sizes. You can see that we're below the 20-day moving average now, and we're quickly approaching the rising 50-day moving average. On the weekly chart, you can see we have a nice little pullback here taking place. If I go back to the daily chart, I'm going to go to the volume. Take a look. The last few days, you can see an acceleration taking place on volume as this starts to bleed out. So I'm proud to say that we called this short sometime back here in the videos, and it's starting to play itself out now, even with the Dow being in positive territory, the small caps being in positive territory, the banks doing exceptionally well, Nasdaq's taking a big hit. When you have something as liquid as Apple, and you see Apple start to drop, that will yank the Nasdaq down. So you get the very best technical analysis right here. So make sure you get plugged into the 201 courses. You do not want to miss those. If you're a struggling trader, those are perfectly for you to mitigate those weaknesses that you surely have. We have a mentorship coming up this weekend. You certainly want to know more about that. I'll be happy to give you all the information you need. Get plugged into that. Every successful trader has a mentor, and we would be honored to be your mentor.